Hello and welcome to Tutorials Diary. In this video I will show you how to install Python on Windows system. If you following my videos, you might have seen how to install chocolatey, then how to install Node.js, Git and Visual Studio. If you have missed any of my video, I will share a link down below which you can go over before you go over this Python installation. So to install Python, you have two options, either to go with the chocolatey option and other option to download the Windows installer directly. So we'll see this option one by one. So for the option number one, I have already opened a command prompt and I will just run this command choco install python -y, and that will start downloading the files and it will start the installation for you. So the prerequisite is that the chocolatey has to be installed on your system. If it's not there, please go over my last video and follow the step and install the chocolatey to your system. So meanwhile it is downloading, let's go over the option number 2, where you can simply go to the link which I have provided, and this is the link which we have shared. So this is the Python 2.7.0 release, and you can just go here and you will see a download link down below, and then you can download based upon your system, and it will give you the files which you can open and start extracting and installation and install to your system. So let's see step number 1. So this package, this is currently installing the Python. It may take few minutes, so we'll wait for that. As you can see, so this Python is installed on my C drive, and this is a log which got printed. So this is how you can install Python on your systems, either using chocolatey, or second option is direct through Windows installer. Thanks for watching the video.